Hi everyone, I'm very happy to tell you about part 2 of the Millie story. It's named Cinderella. And listen to me. One day, the kings announced a great festival that would last 3 days. Every girl in the village were invited. The young prince was going to find himself right. Her stepmother and stepsister were busy looking for pretty dresses to wear. So Cinderella was so sad because she really wanted to go to the festival. And one day, she went to her stepmother and asked if she could go there with them. You, Cinderella, you can't come with us. You have nothing to wear. And look at you. You covered in dirt. Oh, please, may I come with you? I will clean myself up and I find something to wear. No, you don't be with me. And I make list for you to do housework, and you have too much work to do, said her stepmother. Oh, thinking that Cinderella never finished the work in time. And her stepmother said, "If you get the work done in time, you can come with us." Yeah, of course, Cinderella was happy, and she started the work immediately. Her friends, like squirrels and birds, helped her to do housework, and so she finished the work in time. She went to her stepmother and said that you can't come with us. You have nothing to wear. You look dirty, and that follow. Yes, said her stepmother unkindly. Oh, that's all about part 2 of the Millie story. And thank you for listening. Yes.